I would like to review what we're going to cover in week 1. Start with the readings in your text. And I don't expect you to read necessarily every word, but there are a few things that I do want you to pay very close attention to. Probably the first thing is to have a good understanding about what statistics is. And there are also some other videos in the online content that you may want to look at as well. There are 3 types of data. Down here I show you there's 4, but we're really grouping interval and ratio together in the book. But when we get down to the discussion, I do want you to differentiate among all 4 of them. And then finally, the types of variables: dependent variable, independent variable, control variable, and so forth. In the discussion, what I'm asking you to do is first to view this video here on scales of measurement, and then provide some examples for each of the following. So an example for nominal might be gender. So now you can't use gender as one of your examples, but it's nominal because it's a name of a thing, and it has 2 levels, female and male. It does not have any kind of a numeric representation, and so forth. So I'd want you to go through and provide some examples in your own work, or wherever you'd like for them to come from. What you would do is just click here on discussion 1, and it will take you to the forum. And then what I've done here is just to repeat the question for you. And so you can just reply, and then you can post your reply right here. And that's all I'm asking you to do. Then do this by Thursday if you can. I know this is the first week, and it's very busy for everybody. But I want you to do that, and then post to at least 2 other students by Sunday. So if you can get it all done by Sunday, that'll be fine. But just keep in mind that 11:59 on Sunday, this sucker is closed. So try to get her done before then. Let me get back to the menu here. So that is the discussion, and then these are the 2 quizzes. This one is the readiness check, and then this one is the quiz. This one is optional. Read the syllabus to learn more about it if you haven't already. But this quiz is not optional. Both of these have to be completed by Sunday at 11:59. Otherwise, they will go away. And remember, I drop your 5 lowest grades, so it's probably good to try every quiz. Because if you just say, oh, I'm just going to blow this one off, I have 4 more that I don't have to take, as the course progresses, things tend to get a little bit more complex. So I would rather you have a mishap way into week 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10, somewhere along there, and drop one of those low grades, than to really do well on these first few quizzes, because the material is a lot less complex and it's more familiar to you, I'm for sure. So that's what we're going to be doing. You do want to also post your introduction, and that is here under course content. I see that several of you have already posted your introductions, and I do appreciate that. And so that kind of wraps it up with week 1, and I'll be checking on you throughout the course. And remember, let's see here. I have not turned on the Ask a Question yet as an item, so I will be sure that I get that done. Otherwise, have a good day.